welcoming you into this Astra K. Thanks for tuning in to this video from John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max and I'm going to give you a brief look around this Astra K and the stereo we fitted. So I've just turned it on. Now this is the main screen to the head unit. Now the factory unit had actually gone faulty on this system, and now we've got Apple CarPlay wirelessly, which we did not have before, and wireless Android Auto. Now this integrates really nicely into the fascia that we've installed. Looks brilliant. We also keep the factory steering wheel controls working so customer can adjust the volume, skip the tracks, answer and hang up the calls. And down there we've got the factory USB location. Was USB-A before, now we've fitted the USB-C connector into there. This unit also has HDMI, so you can even add a Fire Stick to it. But yeah, what a lovely looking stereo. Much better, much cheaper than replacing it for another factory head unit, and it comes with a 3-year warranty at the moment. But that's all for this brief video from John Cleese Car Radio. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time. Take care, goodbye.